If your potting soil is draining too quick and drying out, there are several effective methods to improve its water retention. First, consider incorporating organic matter like compost, peat moss, or coconut coir. This material can be enhance the soil ability to hold moisture. Adding amendments such as vermiculite, perlite, or hydrogels can also significantly improve water retention as they absorb and slowly release water to the plants. Additionally, applying a layer of mulch or top of the soil can help reduce evaporation. Both organic mulch like shaded bark or straw and inorganic mulch like pebbles or stones are effective options. Adjusting your watering practice is another crucial step. Aiming to water deeply and less frequently to encourage the root to grow deeper, which help them to store moistures. By following the steps, you can significantly enhance the water retention of your potting soil and keep your plant